with me. In our house look worse than the shelter. Worse than the shelter. In our house look worse than park bathroom. Thank you very much, Missy. Look here, me don't know the people. Look here, my arm scratch me. Oh, this feel good here. Yeah. Me not tell you like this big dirty woman we got a friend to make white man mash her up. You never watch a show, White Man Can't Jump. You should have put the TV in the ceiling. You should have put, thank you. You should have put the TV in the ceiling, this big dirty woman. But Shabada always a tell, Lady P, you're not woman. You're not woman. You're worthless, cutlass. Me not in a like, go look at work. Go and look at work. Young man, I call upon you because you're strong. Go and look at work. Go and look at work. You're supposed to be a foreigner dash royal belly to in a snow. Because you can't afford for breathing on your TV and mash up. Oh, your bed still. Everything in your house supposed to lean like my cousin when named Ernie. Everything in our house supposed to favor Ernie. Lean. Talk truth. Because as you calf Bobby mash. No, but it's not like people. And your company, hey girl, Lady P wants to pick by your lip. Your lip them thick like sidewalk. Money love me now but that cost your thanks. Me take back my cussing. Hey big crutches, Lady P, so you need to make me cost all money. With my money love, should me get caught up in a one night love affair. Yeah. I caught up, me get caught up. Money love. But money love, you deserve the cussing too. It's the next blood rat to raw. Name but the Lady P, you and Ivani grind for nothing. You and Ivani sex for nothing. Jamaica mistakes. Jamaica mistakes. You not grind a foreign for nothing at all. Nothing. Nothing Annie them a grind for. And me don't know how people sit down and listen to all Ivan about how in your mouth here, but you don't even know how we address. Move from here, so remember taxi theory there with the taxi man for. Me don't know how you for there with how we. You cannot afford for this man to take your last days of happiness. You don't know how long you're going to live. You can't afford for this man to be taking away from your 24-hour Chrissy. I true my opinion. But you know, me just don't make it affect me. You cannot do that, Chrissy. Chrissy, there is no I in team. There is no I in team. And you're playing an I role. Because you're the only one managing the house. And you're a female. Chrissy, you cannot have a man that can't even take care of his body size. You cannot afford him to be abusing you. Or expect for him to take care of you. Because he can't take care of his body size. Every month he must change belt hole. You can't say Chrissy been a straight mother. She hasn't been a straight mother. You can't be a straight mother when you have a deadbeat father living under the same roof. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Remember, so she showed film food first. And eat the scraps after the children. Nasty Lady P. You know how long I want shit pan you? You know how long I want shit pan you dirty woman? You come and talk about Ivani. And you hear me? Ivani nobody. Ivani are dead. Ivani a spirit that walk around and terrorize the next. Ivani nobody. They don't win since you want me celebrate coming on. This dirty woman. Money love.
You know, she about that because I'm going to tell her something. I'm going to tell her something new carrier. 876 mixed up. Make Shabada stay, because I'm not going to argue with Shabada. Between me and you, 876 mixed up between me. Come here, come closer. I'm going to tell her something about Shabada, but you know. You see Shabada Marga? Between me and you, Me have a friend with a nurse at hospital, KPH, Kingston Public Hospital. She tell me say, she the nurse of them assigned to Shibada to pick out the maggot from underneath Shibada balls. Shibada balls have maggot under there, and my nurse friend pick them out, so Shibada can't argue with me. Shibada balls are rotten, and the Shibada balls are rotten. Shibada balls have a look at them where wiggle so, and my nurse friend pick them out and stitch him up back. That's how you see Shibada look.